Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Beverly Hills. So brand Giorgio Beverly Hills is a California based designer brand, and they've been around for quite a long time, around at least 40 years or so, and they have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. I unboxed and reviewed at least one of their fragrances before, and for the price they are quite good. Okay, and this one in particular called Giorgio Beverly Hills Red for Men. Giorgio Beverly Hills Red for Men is Eau de Toilette. It released in 1991, and as it says, pour homme, or for men, it's aimed for men. There is another one for ladies as well in this lineup, and let's see how it goes. So very simple packaging, very minimalistic, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your subscription, which is free. It doesn't cost you anything. More than 80% of the people who view my videos, they do not subscribe, which is quite a heartbreak for me actually. So please, if you find useful, find them entertaining, find them, you like my video, you find them any way or shape valuable, please don't forget. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for sharing this video with others, thank you for subscription. And if you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate that very much. I leave there in the link how you can do that as well. Thank you very much as always. Thank you from bottom of my heart, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much about it. Yeah, very simple packaging, very simple box, nothing to shout about, but it does the job, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, the bottles say in the same category, which is very minimalistic, very simple. It's quite on the classic side, and again, very simplistic. But I always say in my video, which is, give me the simplest packaging and bottles, but give me the best juice, and I'll be very happy. But if you give me the best packaging and best bottle and you don't give me a good juice, it'd be a waste of time, waste of money, and waste of effort. So for me, this is a good sign. All right, let's see the cap. The cap is plastic, and the atomizer is quite modern and silver. And here we go. Let's see the atomizer. Whoa, look at that. Very good. You go, you put so much juice out. Very good. So far so good. Red for Men by Giorgio Beverly Hills. This is the first impression, first sniff. Here we go. Ooh, feeling the room already. Beautiful. It's up my alley. Okay, first thing first, this is the kind of fragrance I enjoy very much because it's very classic. So first thing it hits me is the herbal and the spiciness of it. So it's spicy, it's herbal. It's got some citruses in the beginning, but the citrus is not big. A little bit of bergamot, a little bit of lemon. But the main player right now for the first impression are the spices, and there are the herbals. Big body of florals in here as well. I can smell jasmine, I can smell a little bit of rose, but there are some other players in here as well, not just rose and jasmine, which makes it amazing. This is heavy on the florals as well, so you need to like your florals. I absolutely adore my florals. I'm a heterosexual man. I'm very secure in my skin, and I'm a middle-aged man, and I love my florals. So this is again up my alley. Yeah, very herbal. So it's very green, it's very herbal, it's very grassy, it's very leafy, it's a little bit of earthiness in here, but not too much. The main things are the spices, herbs, and then after that is the florals. Quite a big leather in here, but the leather is quite soft and is on the classical side. It's not a huge leather like Tuscan leather. No, it's just soft leather in the background, just to lift everything up and making everything smooth. It's quite smooth, it's quite rounded. I'm very surprised for the price. This one you can find in the United Kingdom under £20, and for that price, smells very good and it smells good quality. The ratio for what you pay and what you get is quite good. The only thing is we have to wait to see the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a banger on our hand. At the moment, for the smell only, is very good. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, little bit of oak mossy feel to it, little bit of watery feel to it, and also the base got woods, and the woods is like a combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it again to lift everything and carry everything together. And those florals are still shining very much. Okay, so you need to like your florals to enjoy this. Yeah, it's got a little bit of aromaticness as well to it, which is probably lavender in here, maybe a violet leaf. It's a little bit on the powdery side, a little bit on the dusty side, but it's not a huge player. It's just a hint of it here. So overall, what to take from this video for first impression? Absolutely yes, up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. I'm a big sucker for classical fragrances. I'm a big sucker for fragrances that are from the 70s and 80s era, and this is giving me that feel of 70s and 80s definitely. Yeah, for me this is a 2 thumbs up. Yes. So what to take from it? Opened up quite bright and happy with the citruses, but the main players are the herbals, the spices, and after that the florals, and after that is the woods in the base, and also the leather. The leather is quite soft and friendly, and also a little bit of oak moss, a little bit of maybe patchouli in here to give it that beautiful body. And overall, for a price under £20, 100 ml Eau de Toilette, this is very good. So far so good. The presentation very simple, but I like that. The bottle very simple, I like that. The smell is very good. The blend is very good. The classical, very quite on the masculine side, although if you like this kind of fragrances, lady easily can wear it because of those big florals. So it's a little bit I would say unisex, but a little bit leaning towards masculinity. In terms of occasion, this is Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it evening, daytime. You can wear it for a special occasion, casual, anything you want. It's very versatile. In terms of season, this is again all year round. Although it's quite sweet. Oh, by the way, sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6 to 7. So it's a little bit on the sweet side, but not overly sweet. So because of that sweetness, obviously it's a little bit better suited for cooler weather, but because it's got a freshness to it, especially those herbs and spices, it makes it all year rounder. You can use it in summer, in winter. In summer less sprays, in winter more sprays. At the moment it's filling the room, filling this room, so it looks like it's going to last, but I have to report back to you later how is the performance, how long it lasts. As I said, if it's lost anything decent, then we have a very good hidden gem on our hand. So for the first impression, yes. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are a hidden gem, and this looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom, because unfortunately the post doesn't allow me to post it anywhere else. It's a big headache and a big heartache for me, but what can I do? And they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and they are very mysterious. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different times, and they're called the scent of Persia because the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia. We've been making perfumes for more than 5,000 years, so we know a few things about perfumes, and they are one of the best ingredients in the world, if not the best ingredients in the world. So imagine when I mix them together, they are so opulent and highest quality for a price you can get. Okay guys, thank you very much as always. I'll leave them in the link. I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.